As we are getting closer to August, Samsung is gearing up to launch their next smartwatch. If you're thinking next Galaxy Watch will be a Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, then you're wrong. Samsung once again is going for a Galaxy Watch Classic model this year. Yes, a classic model with a rotating bezel. A new leak shows the model numbers and the battery size of the next Galaxy Watch from Samsung. So this year we're not going to see a Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Samsung will launch Galaxy Watch 8 and Galaxy Watch 8 Classic this year. According to this leak, the model numbers for Galaxy Watch 8 will be SML320 and SML330, two sizes for Galaxy Watch 8. For Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, there are also two models like SML500 and SML505. Battery size has been also leaked, and there is not a good news. Galaxy Watch 8, yes, the simple one, will have a battery size of about 435 mAh. That's about 10 mAh more than Galaxy Watch 7. Galaxy Watch 8 Classic will also have a similar size battery. A lot of people only buy Galaxy smartwatches because of that physical rotating bezel. It's a cool Galaxy Watch feature that also serves a purpose. You can navigate quickly through menu, messages, and watch faces. Right now, there's no as such information about the design of Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, but like past generations, Samsung will stick towards a classy design, which is lightweight, looks good, and has a signature rotating bezel. Those who already have a Galaxy Watch Ultra, there is no need to upgrade to Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Wait for 2026. Samsung is working on a new solid state battery technology that may not arrive till 2026 or 2027. Also, there are reports of a mini LED display that's also not happening this year. A mini LED display helps to see out in the daylight. It's better suited for a more rugged smartwatch like the Galaxy Watch Ultra. So Ultra 2 may have that mini LED display, but once again for that, you might have to wait till 2026. So that was all about for today's episode. And if you like this cool looking design from Yosash Watch Faces, then don't forget to drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section as I'll be picking up lucky random winners for this watch face. With that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.